Are you looking to transfer USDT from Binance to Get.io? In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to make this process seamless and efficient. Step 1. Log into your accounts. First, ensure that you're logged into both your Binance and Get.io accounts. Having both platforms open will streamline the transfer process. Step 2. Locate your USDT on Binance. On Binance, navigate to your spot account. You can find this by hovering over the wallet icon in the top right corner. If you don't see USDT listed, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Step 3. Initiate the withdrawal. Once you have found USDT, click on the three dots next to it and select withdraw. Here you will need to choose a network for the transfer. The BEP20 Binance Smart Chain is recommended due to its low fees. Step 4. Get your deposit address from Get.io. Now switch over to your Get.io account. Hover over assets and select spot account. Use the search bar to find USDT and click on deposit. Choose the same network, BEP20, and copy the deposit address provided. Step 5. Complete the transfer. Return to Binance and paste the Get.io deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is typically around 10 USDT. After confirming all details, click on withdraw. Step 6. Check your balance. The transfer usually takes just a couple of minutes. To verify that your USDT has arrived, go back to Get.io, navigate to your spot account and check your balance. And that's it. You have successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Get.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy trading.